Good equipment deals. Got a 2022 Hitachi ZX225-6. Give you a quick little operations video here. Gonna give you a quick little preview of showing the thing digs well, swings well, tracks well. Side. Swing it to the side and pick up the one side here and then just
one track?
Yep, one track at a time. Is it on low speed or high?
It's in the middle. Want to turn it up?
Well, yeah, but then put it on rabbit and then the turtle. Just want to show both the two speeds work. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Now the other side real quick. As you can see, they both work very well. Okay, there's a slow speed here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here it is. It's ready to go. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. This thing's basically brand new, only 752 hours, and of those 450 of them are operation hours. This machine is clean as it gets, ready to go to work. You can't get one better than this, boys. So if you're interested in this machine, got more questions, please give us a call at Equipment Deals at 972-666-9501.